Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make peanut butter. Let's get into the video. The ingredients are 1 cup of peanut, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First, add the peanut into the pan and roast it till it becomes golden brown in color. Make sure the peanut doesn't burn out into black. Once the peanut gets roasted, remove the peppery skin. Add it in a blender and blend it nicely until it becomes into fine powder. Grind it in a pulse mode and make sure it doesn't get heat. Now add 2 tablespoons of honey. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend them nicely until it becomes smooth and silky texture. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil to get a smooth mixture. Now add 2 tablespoons of jaggery. And grind it well in pulse mode. Stir it well to see if all the ingredients have mixed well. Now our delicious sweet homemade peanut butter is ready. Stir it in an airtight container. Serve with bread or bun as an evening time snack. Let me share some benefits of peanut butter. It can reduce cholesterol level. It can stop small blood clots. It reduces the risk of having heart attack and stroke. It contains high protein. So having one handful of peanut or peanut butter with bread a day is good for your health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. And please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Bye.